Imagine turning micro movements in the Nasdaq market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping Nasdaq futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. Happy No News Monday. Good morning, Timbo. I'm Millie, Marie, and Moses. How are you guys this morning? Hope everyone is having a great day and a great trading session so far as well. I literally just took my first trade not too long ago. I missed a trade a little earlier. I tried to sell click in. I realized that this bar closed right on the line. I thought it was one tick above it. I tried to sell click in and it didn't do anything, and then it just took off without me. And then I ended up getting into this buy right here, just a counter trend pullback, and that's it so far. So just patiently waiting for the next setup and just being ready to pull the trigger when it happens. Hopefully. Hopefully. I did do quite a bit of studying last night. Oh my goodness. Actually, this entire weekend. Yeah, did quite a bit of studying over the weekend. Was able to kind of reanalyze all the data that I have, and I think I have everything the way I want it. I'm not all the way sure, but I'm almost certain that I do. Almost certain. Where's my pen? All right. Okay. Definitely just broke out of the overnight high. Sorry, the overnight low. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? Good morning. That was a crazy spike. Double top, double bottom combo. So let's see which way we end up pushing. We are at the major support level right now. Our pullback. The counter trend traders are not going to be happy with this bleed. One, two. I need one more pullback before I could trade again. The next support level isn't until 504.50, so I'll be curious to see where we end up finding some level of support. Well, that's my next pivot level. The pivot levels are actually pretty far away from each other today. They're like 100 and something points away. I thought it was less than that. She has a new thumbnail. Good morning, Applejacks. Yeah, the one of the YouTube tools that I use has like a thumbnail maker thingy. And so I uploaded like an example of something that I would want. And then I uploaded like the AI picture of me from the thumbnail with Kellyanne, that from that particular live. And then it created it for me. I was like, let's try it. Why not? 24. Why not? AI is great for me because I hate taking pictures, so let AI do it. Why not? 172. But yeah, I think once I work out these last few purple places on my 24, 194 purple places on my cheat sheet. Purple means I'm still not sure about that particular pattern. Once I work out those last few kinks, I think I'll be all right. I think. Man, now. But I think I'll be okay from there. Oh my goodness. The bleed, the bleed. I'm actually surprised we have this much movement today, if I'm being honest. Zigzag's not attached to the correct bar. Three 17, 16. Thank you, Amelia. Get my bounce on all the way to 469.50. Yeah, it's just not very much support there. Good morning, San. How are you? Thank you, thank you. I'm missing one win in there. I still don't know how I didn't get tagged. Oh, yes. I showed Amelia, but I'll show you guys in a little bit. The trade that drove me crazy last Thursday, where I saw the stop loss move to break even. It was not on my leader account. It was actually on one of the follower accounts that I saw. Because remember, I have two screens next to each other. And a lot of times I'll be looking at the follower account because that's the one where I get screwed the most on the copier. Like actually the trade that I did take, I was up like 7 points on it because it never had a stop loss or take profit on it. When I realized I was out of the trade over here, I had to look, and so I'm paying attention to that screen a lot. But anyway, I realized why my stop loss did not move to break even on the leader, and also you know, how I ended up losing as much as I did because I couldn't catch it in time. But ooh, that stopped me out fast. Am I still in trades? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not. That's, oh my God. Okay, that trade actually was my fault. I still have to get used to like previous bar touches a level and how the volume pattern has to be for that. That trade actually was my fault. I couldn't have so much volume in that particular bar. Golly, I lost double what I was supposed to lose. I should be break even and I'm not. But anyway, yeah, so I figured out what the issue was, and it's because literally I was tagged in to the trade, and where the stop loss was supposed to move to take profit, it tagged me in at the like it was the exact same millisecond. So it literally was impossible for it to move my stop loss to break even, essentially. Being precise basically hold me. Yeah, that was that. Damn, I really lost so much. That's why I have to really, I gotta remember these rules. That's the one rule I just keep forgetting, to be honest. but it's all good. Mistakes will happen. But it's bled lower like shit. From my entry, another 40 points. How annoying is that? How annoying is that? Damn it. Nope, it's not touching it anymore. Yeah, that was my fault. I forgot about the freaking bar touching the freaking VWAP. That's alright. Hopefully we get enough trades where I can erase my mistake. Yeah, it is lots of movement today, that's for sure. Yeah, that was just an honest mistake, honestly. But this is week 4 of trading volume only, and I definitely think this is where I'm gonna stay. I definitely do. And I'm usually so careful with the previous bar touching stuff. I usually am so careful. All right, well, we've hit 504.50. Missing a perfect setup as it happened right in front of you. Timbo, I literally I did that before the trade I actually won, and then I just made a mistake and caused myself to lose double what I was supposed to lose. So, trust me, I understand. Very annoying, but that's all right. Like I said, hopefully we get another move, then I'll feel better. Then I will feel better. 1, 2, 3. I just hate when we bleed like this because a lot of times we don't slow down enough and have the pullbacks that I need to be able to get in. It's very annoying, but I'm patient, so, but still, it's very annoying. These days also are very annoying because things that don't typically work out on days like this, so it's pretty frustrating. Because these are moves where like it's just not normal. Did that touch that? I did. But yeah, the moves are just not normal, so it's very annoying to watch. So there's really, I'm not gonna force my way in just because shit's working out and it doesn't normally do it. That's pretty bad habits. In revenge mode due to being so blind. No, don't be in revenge mode. Don't do it. And don't do it. It's not worth it. My next support level is not until 356.50. I could have sworn. One, two, three. These are not the freaking. For some reason, the pivot levels. You know what? I wonder if I somehow was on the wrong data or something. Yeah, those are not the pivot levels. Let me delete that. They're static. They don't change, but somehow those might be the pivot levels from the previous day or something. I don't know. I don't know anything anymore. Damn, I missed that buy. Phooey. This is why I need to pay somebody to code this freaking indicator for me. Like, having to hover over each bar to look at the damn levels or the volume that's in the bars is so freaking annoying. I just need to pay somebody to code the indicator for me and then I'll be fine. But yeah, I missed this buy right here. I definitely would have gotten tagged in for sure. Instant win right after. But it's a lot easier when the volume of the bars are just so significantly different. When they're not, it's very frustrating because you have to like hover over and look. And the difference between the bars and what I needed to know was like 3 volume. That's impossible to see in time. But yeah, that was a perfect buy. So I should be 3-0 right now. I missed 2 really good setups. How wonderful. How wonderful. This is trash. Could be worse though. So it's probably you don't trust it. Yeah. 36. Pretty sure. Oh my God, I missed it. I think that one actually took off without me though. I don't think yeah, I wouldn't have gotten tagged in. Sometimes when prices reacting off of certain levels, it's a low chance of you getting tagged in. But yeah, I wouldn't have gotten tagged in there. That was an instant move, and this wouldn't have gotten filled. Closing up shop for the day. Yeah, close the charts. Plus, you're on a streak too. Don't mess up your streak. Not worth it. Not worth it at all. 70. Ooh. Yeah. I'm just not really liking the price action today. Oh my God, I lost way more than I was supposed to. I might be done for the day my damn self. Nothing that is normal is work. Well, I can't say nothing, but counter trend for sure. I'm done with counter trend right now. I'll just take, well, I'm only taking pullbacks for now. And to be honest with you guys, I was literally, this is so annoying. Every time I'm so close to passing these goddamn accounts, like super frustrating. Super frustrating. But anyway, I was just telling my friend the other day that I am this close to only just trading pullbacks, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm this close. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. Pullbacks only. Because I do have to remember, I still only have, I just started trading the divergences. I can't remember. Maybe the 11th is when I started looking at them. And so I don't have as much data as I do for the pullbacks. So I rather just stick to what I'm the most confident in. But this trade right here, that's the first time this is lost in a week. So can I really be mad? Not really. Not really. But I am very close to just trading pullbacks. And it'll be less for me to remember as well, which would be nice. This month has been so annoying. I feel you. I'm just so tired of getting so close and then this. That's what I'm tired of. That's what I'm tired of. Oh shit, you guys didn't see the trade I just took. Sorry. I didn't realize I was so far over. But yeah, every time I'm super close to being done with these accounts, tech issues, shitty day, having to go back to the drawing board with certain things. And I mean, I spent a lot of time this weekend going back through stuff. But like I said, I am quite certain that pullbacks is just going to be it. Because the problem is, so I already realized that I have to go back to what I was doing before, where like I I can't trade counter trend moves on Fridays because Fridays are super trendy days, right? But the problem is when we have days like today, like I guess I have to do the same thing, like all right, not take counter trend moves because it's a super trendy day. So I would rather just not take counter trend moves at all. Like that would make things significantly easier, right? Because at that point, I don't need to determine when shit. I tried to get into that, but nothing happened. I don't need to determine when we're because we can always break out of a choppy market. I tried to get into this sale, but you guys can see it just took off. I don't want to determine when we're choppy, when we're starting to trend again. I don't want that responsibility. So in order for me to not have that responsibility, I have to just not take the trades. Just not take them. And it would be significantly easier to just trade pullbacks and leave it there. So we'll see. It requires large stop. Yeah. Yeah, Moses. And the thing is, again, when the market's not trending this type of way, counter trend with volume divergence works perfectly fine. But today's movement reminds me of Fridays where we just go like and just keep going and going and going. And 1, 2, 3. And that's kind of a problem a little bit. Just a tad. So, yeah. I've always said like I didn't want to be one of those people where like, all right, let me go look at a 5-minute chart. What is it doing? Okay, we're chopping, so I could do this. All right, we're trending, so I have to stop doing this. All right, like I don't want to have to do that. That requires way too much. And again, the market can change from choppy to trending and trending to choppy at any time when the market is open. So I don't want to have to do that. So the safest thing for me to do is say, fuck the divergences and kind of keep it moving. The good thing is the counter trend moves. Well, I also don't have as much data as I have for pullbacks. So yeah, but either way, the counter trend moves don't really take up a huge significant portion of my trades anyway. So that's a good thing. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I play it. But for now, we're gonna go pull back only and keep it moving. And if I do that, it's gonna make things even easier because that'll be the only thing I need to remember. I still have to figure out though if I want to take divergence in the direction of the trend. I do have to figure that part out. Because that still might be a thing. But aside from that, I think we just get rid of the counter trend divergence. I think in the 17 days worth of data that I have, pullbacks alone was about 74 trades. And then divergence in the direction of the trend was about another like 20 or so. Counter trend divergence was only like 37. So yeah, I don't know. Don't know. I missed this one right here. That's what happens when you're in deep thought. I don't know if I would have gotten tagged in though. The way I've been not getting tagged in, who knows? But yeah, I'm in deep thought of trying to figure out how I want to do this. You want to take one more bounce at 491? All right. Let's see if we can get down there. See you tomorrow, Moses. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank God for having more than one strategy. Yeah. Every month you have to switch up strats to have an edge. Yeah, especially if, well, it seems like for you, for the most part, you have one way that you take the trades if the market has a lot of volume, and then you have another way if it doesn't. I feel like the only thing that is consistent for me, regardless if the market has high volatility, low volatility, or high volume, low volume, is the pullbacks. So because of that, I think it'll be best to get rid of the other stuff, but we'll see. Because see, the other thing that might help me get even more setups for the pullbacks is there's certain trades that I'm missing because they happen at opposite levels, which I think I'll keep the same, like, I don't want to take a sale here. You could see I would have gotten wicked out. But at the buy rotation level, but like if I'm selling at a support level, as long as it wicks through or goes through the body of the entry candle but doesn't touch the previous reversal bar, I think I'm fine. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Right now, the market is just, it's having a seizure. It's spasming. But like I said, it's partially also my fault because I should be 3-0, right? Well, 3-1 considering the divergence trade, but the pullbacks today are 3-0. So there's that. I also think I've figured out how I want to trade this particular pullback, lower high to higher low and up. It seems like I can only take a counter trend and only when the volume pattern doesn't look like this. Well, looked like that, or there's more volume in this swing, then it gets less and less. It seems like the only way I can't take it. There's a lot of volume in this bar right here. Why? What's here? It's like 1800 volume right here. In that one candle. That's insane. Oh, well, it was pushing past the double bottom. That took a lot to push past that double bottom, though. A lot of demand at the 440 to 430 area. Yeah, that's where okay, that's around where we pushed up at 908. $60.30. Got 30 minutes left. What am I down to something on the Top Step accounts? I am break even on take profit minus commissions, obviously. But yeah, I feel like if I can master the pullbacks, I don't really need anything else. Because one of my issues when I was trading with order flow was that I would get significantly more trades with other setups. And it just kind of didn't make sense to me because the pullbacks just happen so much. So that was an issue for me. But now I'm getting more than enough pullbacks in a day, to be honest. Like way more than enough. Even on a pretty slow day, I should be able to get at least 5. And if the majority of them are winning, then I just don't really feel like I need to have anything else. Again, I still would probably take divergence in the direction of the trend, but just leaving the counter trend moves for pullbacks, because the counter trend moves on the pullbacks will end up looking like this on a time-based chart. So one of them that I took was here, got in right there. That was the pullback for that particular swing, and then we dump. I think one of the other trades that I took, that one was a counter trend move as well, but yeah. The person must have a huge stop loss because it is making 200 plus negative price volume wise. Yeah. It's definitely moving quite a bit. I was gonna look for the reversal back up right there, but the zigzag changed to red. If I'm winning the next trade, I will be a little under break even on the other two accounts. Very interesting. Thought we would push up right there. That's all right. There's so little volume in each reversal bar, it's actually pretty difficult to see. I'm gonna try to expand it a little bit. I would have liked this trade more if both bars didn't touch the support level. Like if only we were wicking off of it on the entry bar, it would have been a lot better. All right. Oh wait, we're still there. Damn it. Good morning. What? Where are you going? Oh, see you. Damn it, I missed that one. Fucking sister. I buy clicked in, but then I thought I don't know if you could see, but I thought that this stopped it out. It didn't. So I was like, oh well, I'm not gonna get back into it. For what? If it stopped out, but it actually did not. And my sister just kind of threw me off a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. It would have came one tick from stopping me out though. So the pullbacks are now 4-0 for the day, or 5, somewhere up in there. Thanks a lot, sister. Trying to concentrate. The brokerage is not fast enough to handle the orders you put in for reversals. Ooh, a 4-second delay? Eee. Yeah, see the market orders? That's why when y'all were asking me about a different copier, I'm like, no ma'am, no ham. No sir, not doing it. The market orders would absolutely screw me. And we can't have that. We can't have that. I'm so mad I missed that freaking trade. Talking to her ass. Let's see me naked. 139, 136. Up, now it's invalidated. Not all the way. Oh, I'm in late. I was in just a little late, just a tad. No, what? Am I in a trade right now? No. Y'all, I was in a trade that I could not see. There was no orders on my side. Y'all know I keep the orders tab open at all times. There was no order here. There was no order there, you guys. I swear to God, there was no order there. I always keep the orders tab open. That's the only thing I keep open, and I have it on only active orders so that I do not miss it. There was no order there. I am down $700 on that account for, you know what? These accounts are literally cursed. They're cursed. I'm convinced they're fucking cursed. They're cursed. Where can we get the data speed timer? Kevin, hold on. I'll post the YouTube link. My accounts are cursed, you guys. Like, I am convinced. There was no order there. I promise y'all, I keep the orders tab open so that when I'm out of a trade, I can look over there so that if there's, something where I was not tagged in, I can quickly click the X button so that I do not get tagged in. So what happened was on that fucking account, I wasn't tagged in here. I got out on all the other accounts and then I was tagged in when price came back to hit it, but there was no order on my side. I would have canceled it. That's why I keep the fucking shit open. I'm cursed. Just doesn't want to see me win. I'm literally cursed. Hold on. Y'all, I'm so irritated. Kevin, here you go. Follow exactly what the guy says to do in the video, and you'll be good. Y'all, I am literally cursed. Fuck, damn it. All right, I missed this buy right here. I am so frustrated. I am. I'm not gonna lie. You're welcome. But yeah, do exactly what that thing says to do. What's up, Mike? Don't be yelling at me. My Nightbot don't like that. But yeah, follow exactly what that video says to do and it'll get you going. Tech has been off for every platform. I had to trade both my accounts one at a time. Yeah, it's literally insane. I I just don't understand, y'all. But anyway, this is what I was talking about earlier, where like I'm cool with taking sales as support as long as only this bar touches it. If this bar and the previous bar both touch it, like rotate over it like what it's doing right now, I don't like it. Because it's telling me that we failed to clear it, basically. I mean, this one worked out, but most of the time it ain't gonna work out. At this point, I am thoroughly convinced that I'm just not supposed to be trading. The market literally hates me. It hates me. And nobody can convince me otherwise. No one. Not even you wonderful people. You're good, Mike. How are you? I am cursed, Kevin. You don't understand. I have had, okay, so the Apex account that I passed last Tuesday, I was one trade away from passing it. I think it was around January 8th. Started having all these tech issues. And baby, when I tell you, let me tell you something. It was the worst thing ever. Ever. And with these accounts, like starting off today, I was legit 5 trades away from passing on most of them. On 2 of them, I was 5 trades away. On another one, I was like 10 trades away, right? So I take one trade, whatever. I take a counter trend move. I'm like, oh, you know what? Let's just get rid of counter trend. But it's cool. All of my pullbacks so far have won today. And the pullbacks, I'll tell you guys, in 17 trading days, none of the pullbacks lost. Not one. Based on how I reverse engineered and created the rule set for the pullbacks. Okay. Not one loss. Not one. All right. So my loss earlier was literally just my fault. I forgot that the previous bar reacted off of the VWAP. And because of that, I needed the volume pattern to look a specific way. So we'll let that go. But the fact that I have shit going on like this, like, how do I not get tagged into an account, which is fine, but where is the order on NinjaTrader? Why isn't it there? Why? I don't understand. So what I'm probably gonna have to do is keep Rhythmic open as well. No, because there was no working order. If there's a working order, it's going to show on Rhythmic and it's also going to show on NinjaTrader. So I don't know how I got tagged in. So I'm just fucking cursed. I literally just want to get these last 3 evals done so I can start trading my funded accounts. That's all I want. Sure, I can start them now, but why? Like, I don't, not to say there's not a problem with trading both evals and PAs at the same time. There's no reason for that. But, you know, for me, I've used the evals as a way to basically see when my strategy's, ready. And so I've made so much progress with trading volume only, and it's very nice. But then when I start having issues, then it's like, well, what the fuck? What do you want from me? I don't know what the market wants from me. I just don't know. I don't know. Like, I'm sick of issues between NinjaTrader not moving my stop loss to break even because, hey, it tagged me into the trade and went straight to my profit in the same millisecond. And when I say millisecond, I mean hundredth of a second. That type of millisecond. All right? It's literally insane. Copy trader issues for the last 6+ weeks is supposedly supposed to be fixed by the end of the month, but I don't know that. I just I just don't understand. Just don't. But I'm trying to keep positive But it's hard when your progress is being stalled by dumb shit. Like, I literally got these accounts back to green and break even. The other Top Step account is break even minus commissions. So to do all of that work and be negative $700 because my platform isn't even showing that I have a pending order there, like legit. I've gotten screwed on not knowing that I'm in trades on the followers before. That is why I always just keep the orders tab open. I don't look at the accounts tab. I literally only have the orders tab because of that very reason. I've been tagged into stuff and not knowing. And then I just hear order filled and I'm like, order where? Yes, like it's very bad. I have PTSD. So, like, I'm doing my due diligence, but for what? For no reason at all. Actually, none whatsoever. But yeah, maybe there is a curse. I'm telling you. All right, Kevin, it's a curse. I'm just trying to tell you. There is one. There is. Man, it's just nothing more frustrating than, like, if y'all knew the hours I put into this. That is why I drop F-bombs all the time when shit's just doing what the fuck it wants to do. Let me be the reason I'm losing. Let my strategy be the reason I'm losing. You see, when I took the loss because I forgot the previous bar hit the VWAP, whatever. Like, that's my fault. Cool. That's on me. Fine. I can eat that. I can even eat that like, yo, I just don't have enough data for this. Cool. But that is unacceptable. I'm literally like, wait, I'm in a trade. I see I'm down $330 at the time, so I had to flatten. Not cool. Just not cool at all. Are you using the Apex copier? Hell no. No, I stopped using the Apex copier. Cell phone, all software, and sign into the internet to take myself off trades. Now you have to. No, I stopped using the Apex copier when they came out with the update with the interface and all the red flatten buttons were everywhere. It gave me so much anxiety seeing all that red everywhere. That I immediately downgraded, and then I bought the affordable indicators copier. The thing is though, the copier issues that I'm having is not normal. Like 99.99999% of the people who use this copier are not going to have the issues that I have. Let me just make that clear. And that's the only reason why I still support them. You know, and I still tell people about them, because you're not likely to have the issues that I'm having. The issue, I've been using this copier since March of last year, and initially for a long time up until recently, like a couple months ago, I was only trading one contract per trade per account, unless I was like in the last couple of days before the renewal, you know, and I'm just trying to pass or fail the account for the free reset on renewal. So when I started to trade with more contracts, again, that's not the issue. The issue is my precision with my trades. Most of my trades last less than 5 seconds. So what tends to happen is there on the copier, there's this thing called Protect ATM, and the default was 3 seconds, where it's going to look at your followers and after 3 seconds of entering to make sure there's an ATM attached. Well, I just told you that the majority of my trades are less than 5 seconds. So checking for that in 3 seconds is a problem. So I changed it to 1 second thinking that I would fix it. Because like I was explaining earlier, one of my trades actually took profit in the same 100th of a millisecond. So even that 1 second is not enough. So the owner reached out to me last week to let me know that after, you know, he went through, I sent them a bunch of log files and stuff. But he basically has figured out what the issue is and he's working on it. And he said it should be done by the end of this week, basically, because he said the end of February. So I hope that is fixed, because I honestly, no shade to him, but I just don't feel comfortable trading my funded accounts until it's fixed. Unless I just do one contract per trade, which is what I'm going to do starting out anyway. But this is the trade that screwed me last week. I got into a sale and it went 20 ticks. My take profit is 18, but I got stopped out. And literally when I looked at the timestamp of my entry and the where I would have taken profit, it was the same 100th of a second. So my goal is to be precise, but not that damn precise. That kind of precision is going to screw you. So yeah, even NinjaTrader didn't even move my stop loss to break even, because it didn't even have the ability to realize that it was supposed to. Didn't even realize it because it was in the same millisecond. So sometimes the tech just is screwy. It's just screwy. I am so mad about that trade though. Like, to be down $700 on some bullshit is annoying. I don't even know. That account renews on the 4th. So I'm going to start upping the contract size on it anyway. So I'm going to start going for more than 2 contracts. And hopefully that helps me to also gain some of the money back. We'll see, I guess. I was looking for the reversal up right there, but market had other plans. But today was just, I don't know. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna journal all the trades, which I do anyway, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna come to you guys tomorrow and tell y'all that I'm not gonna do counter trend at all anymore. Well, counter trend divergence, because we're still gonna take counter trend pullbacks. Yes, we are. Rhythmic accounts are trade evade. So my top step accounts are rhythmic. That's the one I just got screwed on. But yeah, my top step accounts are rhythmic, and then all my other accounts are trade evade. And I only did that because, you know, with top steps trade evade, you can't connect to NinjaTrader for whatever reason. $190. All right, we got 4 minutes left. That's not valid. And like I said, it's just annoying because there's certain shit that's working out. Like that move should have never worked. That doesn't normally work, but because of the volatility and the volume and stuff, things are working that shouldn't be. And it can get frustrating because I'm wanting to make sure that moves work no matter what the market conditions are. That way, again, like I said earlier, I don't need to identify that we're in a trending market. So, hey, I can't take counter trend divergence. And like, I can go to a 1 minute chart now and say, hey, we've slowed down. We're not creating these crazy moves. So now I can take counter trend divergence. I'm not doing all that. I'm not. And so what tends to happen, like when I first started this strategy, I started off with data from January 27th, which was inauguration day, or whatever. Not what day was it? 27th, I think, whatever damn day it was. I started off with data from that particular day because there was like 650,000 volume by 10 o'clock in the morning. That's not normal. So I started off there because I understood that, all right, if we start off with a day with a lot of examples and then we end up having the more choppier days or whatever, on the choppier days, I'm going to lose some trades because right now my data is based off of a lot of volume and volatility. But the choppy days are where I learned the most. Even when I was trading order flow, all the other ways I've tried to trade this strategy, the choppy days were always my educational days, right? And so far, what I've been able to figure out is that for the most part, except counter trend divergence, for the pullbacks, no matter if I'm trend or counter trend, the volume patterns are very consistent, regardless of market conditions. And that's my only goal, is to make sure that it works either way. And so I still include data. Like, I'm still going to write this trade down when I journal today, and I'm still going to include it in my analysis sheet. But historically speaking, it does not work very well. You ran into the same problem. Yeah, rhythmic. My only issue is if I have a pending order, bitch, show me. That's all I ask. Like, there's no point in me having the orders tab up if you're not even going to show that I have an order there. And like I said, I could have rhythmic open next to me as well, which I do. I always have it open, but I don't have it like up on my screen. But it's not going to show a working order there either. So how am I tagged in? I don't know. NBA game tonight? Who's playing Applejack? All right, let's see. Oh, session's over in 15 seconds. All right. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm pretty calm, but on the inside, I'm ready to fuck some shit up. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm not happy. Not at all. The only good thing is what happened today, where I got screwed the most, is the account that I needed the most to pass. I mean, I needed like I don't remember. Let's see, 717. I needed probably about $1,300 to pass it versus less than 800 for the other two. So I guess whatever. But that is annoyed. I will be happy when tech issues are not a part of my strategy anymore. But all right, these are the accounts. Let me go to my trade performance so I could tell you about the wins, losses, and all that other shit. And then I'm going to journal and get my day started. I actually need to go grocery shopping and stuff because it is warm outside again. So yes. So I took 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. I took 5 trades. I won 3 and lost 2. However, on that account, I won 2 and lost 3 but the 3 losses were all significantly more than they're supposed to be. When I lose a trade with 2 contracts on it, I'm supposed to lose $187 per trade. And instead of losing that on that particular account, I lost $300 on one, $260 on another, and $400 on another. So not only was I just getting screwed out of my ass with the technology, but it's like, goddamn, my stop losses are, again, because of the copier and because of how fast my trades are, they're getting put in the wrong place. The stop losses are not there. I mean, the market, the copier is just doing what it wants. And then the last trade that I lost $450 on was because I got tagged in significantly after I was out of the trade. So that's the story of being negative $700 for no reason. But yeah. See you, Kevin. Oh, I'm done. At 10 o'clock, I am done. I don't care how green or red I am. I'm done. Potty mouth pesos and the nuggets. I just tell my technology to work the way it's supposed to, and my potty mouth will go away temporarily. But yeah, that's it for me today, you guys. I'll update the P&L room in a little bit, but I thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already yet. It sucks, Amelia. It sucks. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early at 8:45 Central Standard Time tomorrow morning. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.